So, this is a land use land cover Explorer app. Um, what this does, it compares 2 years. Okay, there's 2 years between two states, Nigeria. Okay, and all you just need to do is to select the years on the left and on the right, select the state as well on the left and on the right, and it will load up the statistics showing us the changes that have occurred over the years comparing two states. Now, this is very useful for researchers, useful for academians, and also useful for urban and regional planning to be able to monitor the growth of urbanization, as well as environmentalists can also use it to monitor and track deforestation or um, desert encroachment in a particular area. So let's just dive into it. So I'm going for, let's say, 2018. Here I want, say, 2023. And let's say I'm interested in somewhere like, let's say, Kaduna. Okay. And automatically the map zooms into Kaduna State. Then I have to just select Kaduna here also. So these are two separate maps. Okay. These are two separate maps. One on the left, one on the right. But they are synced to each other, whereby whatever you do here will also appear here. So you can see the land use land cover for 2018 loads up on the left. And you can also expand it like this. You can see here on the red, as you can see on the legend area here, these are built up areas, while we have a lot of rangeland over here. Some bare ground or rocky areas over here as well. Then we have the green to represent vegetation as well. Then the water body is presented with the blue. Okay, so let's look here as well. You can see visibly we can see some changes as we move the slider from the left to the right or the right to the left. Okay, so you can see we can observe some changes occurred from the year 2018 to 2023, and we just give it a little while the app calculates the statistics and loads up the chart for us as well as the table statistics. Let's just give it some minutes and right back. All right, so as we can see, that took some minutes, but here we can see the statistics, the table, as well as the chart. On the right as well, you can see the table, as well as the chart as well. And you can see visibly the changes that have occurred. You can see that some vegetation were lost in the year 2023 as well for, you can see that 2018 and 2023 differences. And then you can see the statistics here on vegetation to be 12,711, 6 square meters. And then here you can see we have it around 9,122.5 square meters. Okay, and the percentage it covers as of 2018 is 28%. Here we can see it reduced by 8%. You can see that we have the built up area to also increase from 503 to 632. Europe is also expanded as well. Okay, so we can, so this is important for, like I said, for environmentalists, for researchers, for urban planners, and the rest of them. So you can see, even the policymakers can be able to see how the trend of change that has occurred over time. You can also take this, export this, and you can have the table. You can download it as PNG, SVG, or CSV. You can put it on your project, search your report. As you can see, when you hover your cursor on this, tells you the area it's covered. Okay, it's been covered as well as the data. So this app is very robust. You can move to, let's say, Lagos. Let's move to Lagos. Let's move to Lagos. Let's see what Lagos have for us. Yeah, sometimes let's wait for it to load. Okay, you can see that 2018 is loaded. You can see we have a lot of urban settlement or built up areas in Lagos. This for 2018 already loaded. Okay, so let's just give it a while for it to load as well as statistics and all.